Today we're going to make 3 DIY foaming hand soaps with Castile soap and essential oils. My name is Karen Williams. As a professional aromatherapist, I love to create amazing blends that inspire and promote a healthier lifestyle. I've been making my own homemade soaps for over 25 years. I got my start many years ago as a registered nurse working in the hospital system. This recipe is amazing because it's so cleansing and simple. We're not just masking the air, we're improving it. But along the way, I knew something was missing. I wanted to help people more holistically. So what you're seeing today is really a culmination of all the research that I've done. Then I discovered essential oils, and my approach to life changed forever. And you'll feel that calm but yet energetic focus that you're looking for. Now I've made it my mission to share what I've learned about aromatherapy with my friends, family, and the world. If you have smaller children, just simply leave out the Ravensara or put it on yourself as you're holding your small one, and they'll get the benefit as well. Because life is so much better with health, happiness, and community. Let's start blending. Making your own DIY foaming hand soaps is fun, it's easy, and it's an effective way to keep yourself from getting sick and those around you. It's a good way to keep those microbes at bay. Today I'm going to show you how to make a variety of foaming hand soaps, and then you'll be able to blend like an expert. We're going to make citrus mint, chamomile lime, and eucalyptus lavender foaming soaps. I've been making my own homemade soaps for over 25 years. Along the way, I've tried every kind of container. I've tried different types of Castile soap because all Castile soaps are not created equal. Some of the benefits of making your own soap versus just buying it off the shelf is you get to have pure, clean ingredients. You know what you're putting in your soap and you're supporting your skin. Castile soap is our base. It's a soap that has very few ingredients. This one has organic sunflower oil and organic coconut oil. So nourishing for your skin. Carriers can also bring a wealth of skin nourishing properties to our foaming hand soaps. What we're using today is avocado oil that will help to nourish the dryness. Hydrosols help dilute some of our soaps and bring also skin nourishing benefits. Lavender hydrosol is very gentle on your skin and very healing, which is one of the reasons why it's an ingredient in one of our foaming hand soaps. Essential oils not only smell great, but they bring a lot of antimicrobial benefits to our hand washing regime. Some of them even have immune system boosting properties. I've experimented with many different foaming hand soap bottles. I have 3 of them that I want to show you because they're my favorites. This one is a glass foaming hand soap. And while the foamers are much the same, the glass is kind of elegant. You can use it over and over and over. It's beautiful on your countertop. I've also used a PET plastic foaming hand soap container. This does really well if you're in a situation where you have children and you're afraid that they may drop and break. A PET bottle does not leach with the essential oils in it. It's very safe, and you can use this over and over as well. I like to put these beside sinks where children are frequently washing their hands, or maybe even the shower where children are using it. Our last one that I want to show you is a smaller, almost a 2-ounce, not quite, a 2-ounce bottle that is really great for traveling. It's also a PET plastic bottle that won't break if you accidentally drop it. And if you're using a water-based ingredient like our hydrosol, you'll be able to use this up in 1 to 2 weeks so that you don't introduce any more germs into your product. The thing that all of these bottles have in common is their top part that creates that beautiful foam when you press on it. It's a special mechanism in there that takes your liquid soap into a very beautiful foam. And here's a suggestion. When using foaming hand soaps, the very tip seems to get clogged, so every week I'll take either a bobby pin or perhaps a toothpick, and I'll just clean the inside and clean that foam out that seems to dry, and it works perfectly. All right, let's get set up. This first one is our simplest one. It's called citrus mint. and we have just 3 ingredients. And I'll show you how easy it is to make this. We'll take our Castile soap, and you want to make sure that you only fill it about a little more than 3/4 full, saving room to put the foamer top back inside without spilling any of the ingredients over the side. And now we'll add just 30 drops of each essential oil. We'll start with our peppermint, 30 drops of peppermint. Peppermint is so energizing and it smells so good any time of the year. It's also very cooling. I love the antimicrobial aspects of mint. Our next oil will be lemon. Lemon is so energizing, it's so crisp and clean, it's very uplifting. We'll add 30 drops of our lemon. Now we just put the top on. We want to give it a gentle shake to mix all those essential oils into our Castile soap. Then when it's ready to use, we'll just open up the top and we'll foam away. Look how beautiful this is. Our next soap will be our chamomile lime. We're still using Castile soap, but now we're adding in our moisturizing avocado oil. I have a recipe for you down below, but I'll show you an easy way to do it. We want 3/4 of our Castile soap and 1/4 of our avocado oil. So we'll just pour this in, again leaving plenty of room at the top to put our foamer bottle back in. And then we'll add our moisturizing avocado oil. Look at the beautiful color as it goes in. You can measure this or you can just eyeball it like I've done. Now we'll add 30 drops of our energizing lime that's so good to prevent those microbes from getting into our system. Very uplifting and very energizing. And it smells really good. And then 30 drops of Roman chamomile. Now Roman chamomile is very calming and very good on your skin, very nourishing. It smells like apples, so it's really beautiful with our lime. Now we put our foamer in, and you can see the different colors here, so you know we need to shake it and blend those all together. There we go. There, it has a light green tint to it, which makes it beautiful. And now for our last one, and we do the exact same thing. We put our Castile soap in, a little more than halfway. And these bottles are so nice to travel with. Now our next ingredient is lavender hydrosol. You could use any hydrosol that's skin nourishing in a foaming hand soap. And the reason why we use a smaller bottle is you want to use this up within a week or 2. Brilliant for traveling, brilliant for putting in your gym bag when you want to have your own nourishing foaming hand soap with you. This also thins it down, which makes it really great for children and small babies. If I am blending this for babies and smaller toddlers, I'll leave out the essential oils and just use the Castile soap and the lavender hydrosol. We're only putting in 10 drops of each essential oil. Our first one is eucalyptus, which is so clearing, so cleansing for the air, fresh and crisp. And then 10 drops of our beautiful lavender essential oil. This is lavandula angustifolia, which is very gentle and healing on the skin. And again, you want to shake it first before you use it, and then we just squirt it on. See how beautiful that is? I've just shown you my favorite blends, but you can use any carrier that you want. Maybe not avocado, maybe you have jojoba oil or jojoba wax. Maybe you have a different hydrosol. I would love to know what you use and what your favorite combinations are. I like reading the comments and I like seeing what you come up with. You can see that separation does occur when you combine certain oils with your Castile soap and essential oils. So I always give it just a little bit of a shake before I use it. And I just want to remind you that when you use a water-based, like your hydrosol or even just water in your Castile soap, it shortens the shelf life. So you'll want to use this up within 1 to 2 weeks to prevent any germs from growing inside your bottle. If you want to make your own foaming hand soaps, I have a special bundle ready for you right down below. And for those of you who are interested, I have a mints workshop that shows about all the different nuances and therapeutic properties of 4 different mints, and you'll find that link down below as well. Every month we do a recipe of the month. If you want to see last month's, just click over here. And if you'd like to subscribe, just click here and we'll see you next time.